Welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. We'll be continuing our demo of the Config Wizard by exploring the feature Kanban Stages in greater detail, which provides a comprehensive overview of all your work and allows you to conveniently filter your records across your pipeline. To get started, go to the Config Wizard and click on the Kanban Stages tab. From there, you can select the fields that you want to apply this feature to, by giving a label to the stage and condition field, as well as the corresponding value. Once you've made your selections, copy the configuration and navigate to the Lightning page in the App Builder. Paste the configuration in the Kanban Stages section. Save your changes, and click Back. Now, our Kanban Stages feature should be working properly. Thank you for watching.